Samsung gave us the possibility to test a prototype of the Samsung Omnia HD i8910. You are with Emilio Vignapiano, CellulareMagazine.it. So let's see, first of all, the hardware characteristic. It's a quadriband GSM with GPRS Edge connection, but also UMTS, HSDPA 7.2 in download, HSUPA, so upload 5.76 megabit per second. So really 3G connection. The screen is the first thing that comes out. It's huge. We talk about 3.7 inch with the resolution of 360 by 640. So more than half of the screen of the web page will be on it. It's an AMOLED display, touchscreen, 65 million of colors. So let's see what we have more. Camera for video calling. This is the sensor of proximity, so the phone will know when you are going where, in which part of the screen. So there is not just the touch, but it's also assisted by this sensor. 3 physical key for the phone calls and for the back menu. On the left side you have other buttons. The camera one, the main camera is on the back, 8 megapixel with LED flash and autofocus. You can also make high definition videos, so there are 24 frames per second, so pretty good. There is also the face, smile and blink detection, so the focus will be always on the face, will be always on the eye, so no problem in this way. Micro USB connector to sync and to recharge it. To lock and unlock the phone button. One of the speakers, they are stereo on 2 sides. It really helps the sound, in particular when you're watching video. Then you have the jack for your headphone, 3.5 millimeter jack for your classical headphone. But you have also DNSA, so digital now natural sound engine. So the sound is pretty good. Balance of the volume. Then the micro SD slot, no problem, for 16 gigabyte memory. Let's unlock the phone. As you see, the operating system is the classical Symbian 5th edition touch with the icons of Samsung. Samsung LBS is for GPS connection. In fact, you have GPS Plus that can not only be used with maps of Route 66. There is a version with the maps inside that costs €599 almost. Without the 2 years Route 66 maps, there is €500 price. You can also geotag the photo and the video, so you can put them on Google Map. The menu, as you see, are the classical one. The screen gives an amazing. Now it's loading the photos. There is also some videos. So let's go first on a classical video that is the helicopter one. Okay. Now, of course, let's go faster. You cannot really appreciate how the video is going because the YouTube channel will just take off some frame, but I can tell you from what I see here that really is looking at a high resolution video, very fluid images, the sound is stereo, it's good, and As you see, you can really get it from very, very hard angles, the image. This is also due to a processor that is very fast, is an ARM of 600 MHz processor. There is also a 3D graphics accelerator hardware, of course, so really it's a multimedia phone. You have radio with FM and RDS, so you have to plug the headphone, of course, to the antenna. Let's go back. When the phone is locked like this, you go into the 3D menu, you have your contact, and you can add image of your contact, and so have fast from this part. The widgets that are almost in every Samsung Touch phone are very easy to use. You can put them on the screen, and so you can have your 3 personalized screen. In fact, when you are in this area, you can have, as you see, 3 different papers, and so you can plug and plug the widget from here. Every time that you use the touchscreen, you have a feedback. There is a little buzz that is the vibration, and there is also a little sound that comes out. So now let's go in the main menu. I want to show you how you can write, because there are three different types of user to write. There is the classical Qwerty Keyboard that is working really, really good. We didn't expect it to be so fast, and really you can learn very fast to use it. Okay, then you go to the others writing. There you have also the alphanumeric keyboard, so with T9, but you have also the writing. Let's write ciao. Let's put a space before. See? So you have 3 different types of entering. In the application, we can show you also the home connection. In fact, this phone has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you can also have the DLNA, so you can see, you can create a new access point, and you can see your video, your images on your home screen. So this is very cool, because as you can record an high resolution, high definition video, you can look at them on your main screen at home without any problems. The battery is a standard lithium battery, 1500 mAh, that gives you 600 hours of standby and 13.30 minutes of talking. That is really, really good conversation time. Is the calculator. When you go into the menu, you have to open it with double click. Also, the web browser is very fast. So this phone is coming to the market at May. We don't know if at the beginning or at the end, with a price of €599 with Route 66 for 2 years, or €500 without Route 66. The memory inside can be expanded up to 16 GB, and this is pretty enough for every strong user. For CellulareMagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano with the Samsung Omnia HD.